In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create standard operating procedures in Notion. Whether you're managing a team, organizing a project, or simply trying to keep everything as efficient as possible, having well-documented procedures can make all the difference. Notion, a flexible and powerful tool, can make creating and maintaining these documents straightforward and intuitive. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open a page in Notion. If you're new to Notion, think of a page as a blank canvas, ready for your creativity and organization skills. This is where you'll build your document. To get to your page, navigate your dashboard to find a space where you want these procedures to live. This could be within an existing project, or perhaps within a dedicated area for operations and workflows. Once there, click to open your chosen page. Next, let's talk about templates. Notion comes equipped with a wide variety of templates, which can save you a considerable amount of time and effort. Instead of starting from scratch, templates offer a structured starting point. To access these, find the template button on your page. It's usually found near the top of the screen, providing you with easy access to Notion's useful array of pre-made setups. Once you click on the template button, you'll see a new field where you can search for templates. Here, you can specify what type of template you're looking for. We're on the hunt for one specific kind of template today: standard operating procedures, often abbreviated as SOPs. In the search bar, go ahead and type in SOP. This will pull up all related templates that Notion has to offer, tailored to help you standardize processes. When you see the list of SOP templates, take a moment to browse through the options available. Notion's templates are designed by professionals, so they include key components you might not even have thought of. Choosing the right template can help guide the structure and ensure you cover all necessary aspects of your procedure. Select a template that best fits your needs. Click on it and watch it populate into your page. Now you're ready to customize the template with your own content. Fill in each section with the relevant information specific to your operations. Be detailed and clear to ensure anyone reading the SOP understands the steps and the rationale behind them. This makes it easier for current team members to follow, and it becomes a valuable resource for onboarding new employees. And that's it. You've successfully set up a standard operating procedure in Notion. With this framework in place, you're one step closer to operational excellence. Remember, these documents should be living entities. Update them regularly to reflect any changes in your processes or procedures. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has made creating SOPs in Notion a breeze. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your productivity.